Hi everyone, today we are talking about how to make your gravity forms more interactive and visually appealing by turning checkbox and radio buttons into beautiful toggle switches without writing a single line of code. Let's dive in. To get started, you will need two plugins, Booster for Gravity Forms, Checkbox and Radio Styler. Both of these plugins work seamlessly together to give you customizable and functional toggle switches. Here's how to enable toggle switches for your checkboxes and radio buttons. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Forms, select the form you want to customize. Go to the checkbox and radio panel. Depending upon your field type, open the checkbox or radio section. Check the Enable Custom Checkbox option. Now here's the fun part. From the checkbox type drop-down, select Switch. Instantly you will see a preview of how your switches will look. Plus you can customize the colors for selected and unselected states. You can even experiment with styles like outline, fill, or slim switches. Want to make your toggle switches even more engaging? Add animations. Choose from options like Smooth, Jelly, Tada, Rotate and Pulse. These animations trigger when the state of the toggle changes, adding a delightful touch to your forms. How cool is that? Save your changes and voila! By default, the toggle design applies to all checkboxes and radio buttons in a form. But what if you want to exclude certain fields? No problem. Navigate to Checkbox and Radio panel in the Gravity Booster interface. Click on the checkbox or radio field you want to exclude. Check the Exclude this field option. Save your changes and voila! That field will remain as standard checkbox or radio input. And that's it. You have now transformed your gravity forms into something far more interactive and user-friendly, all thanks to Checkbox and Radio Styler plugin. If you have any questions about the plugin or steps, drop a comment below. I would love to help you out.